So welcome back guys, welcome back to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson we are going to be talking about dead load application on slab. Okay, so we want to apply the dead load on slab, and we know the most important dead load on slab is the self weight, which the software is going to automatically generate for us. So what we are going to do now in this case is we are going to select slab. Since it's slab, we are working with select object types, then we select the floors. Okay, select it, close, right click on it and show selected objects only. So it means for the whole structure, the slab is going to, because we are using the same load all through, so we can just highlight the whole slab. Then also, if you highlight the whole slab when the beams and columns are showing, and you go to assign slab load, it only assigns to the slab, it doesn't assign to the beam. So what we do now is go to assign. Now we have shell load, then we have uniform, so we'll select uniform. So let me go back down there to explain what the types of loads we have, the types of applications of load we have. So for example, now I want to assign this load, this slab, select it and go to assign. We have the shell load, uniform, then we have different types of load cases. So under this, I'm going to choose the dead load, and for my load I'm going to put a value. I'm assuming the value of just 10 kilonewton, just assuming it. So now we have options. We add to existing load, replace existing load, and delete existing load. So for example, now I put 10, I apply, I click OK. So on this slab I have 10 kilonewton. So let's say I want to change it. There are two ways of changing it. I can select the slab, assign, shell load, uniform, change it. Now if I want to change it to 8, I can either assign, put 8 and replace, apply, automatically it has changed to 8. Or if for example it was still 10, okay, apply, and I want to change, select this and apply, and I want to change it to 8, so I can add to existing load and just put -2. So 10 minus 2 will, let me select it also. 10 minus 2 will automatically give me 8. So we can always play with this option. But in this case now, for my dead load, I want to use, so for our dead load, we know ETABS has automatically created the self weight for us, that automatically calculated it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the whole plate, the whole slab structure, the whole slab. Then I will go to assign, shell load, uniform. Then for my dead load, I'll select dead, and I want to use a value now. So to get the self weight, the software has done it. The next one I want to do now is I'm going to put a load for finishes. So for example, I have a load for my screeding. So screeding is 50 mm screeding, which is calculator. So we have screeding, which is 50 mm. So 50 mm to millimeter is 50 divided by 1000, okay, times the density of concrete. So we use 24, which is 1.2. We are done with that. Then other finishes like tiles, the carpet, the rug, you need to get that from the manual. The manufacturer's manual is provided by the manufacturer, but to be on the safe side, I'll use a value of 1 kilonewton per meter. So 1.2 plus 1 is 2.2. So for my dead load, I'm going to use a value of 2.2. So 2.2, and I'm going to replace existing load. So apply and click OK. You can select any particular slab you want, right click and select load. You see this, so we have dead of 2.2. This is excluding the self weight, because we have a self weight multiplier at that point. So we have that there. So in the next video, we are going to be talking about the live load, and we'll look at how to read the Euro code to understand it. So thank you very much.